Hello everybody, in this short video I'm going to show you how to easily find the balance sheet and financial statements of any publicly traded company very easily and quickly online. The best method I have found to do this, that is my favorite, is by using Yahoo Finance. The website is finance.yahoo.com. But once you're here, you want to go to this top search bar and just type in either the name of the company you want to look up or the ticker symbol. For this example, we are going to do Coca-Cola. So their ticker symbol is KO. So we're going to type that in and then it will come up here. We can just click that, make sure we select the proper one. Then it will give you some information here, a whole bunch of stuff. But what we are wanting to do here is right here, go to financials on kind of the right or middle of the page. It says financials in blue. Click that and then it will bring up their income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. And as we are looking for in this video, balance sheet. So all you want to do is click balance sheet. And then here you are, you have access to their balance sheet, which shows you about 3 years back, all the information you need. And they also, Yahoo Finance has the Yahoo Finance Plus. It's like a subscription service they have. If you do want more data and more balance sheet access to see from even previous years, from before 2017 or whatever year you are looking at. But they do have that option. But that's how you can easily find a balance sheet online using Yahoo Finance. So thank you for watching.